Welcome back to the channel. Today, we have something truly special, a stunningly modified Opel Insignia that looks absolutely insane. This is not your average sedan, it's a perfect blend of luxury, aggression, and performance, and we're about to dive deep into every little detail of this masterpiece. Just look at this beauty. The first thing that grabs your attention is the sleek matte gray finish. It gives the car a stealthy, high-end look while making every sharp bodyline stand out. The designers have done an incredible job with the aerodynamics. Notice the aggressive front splitter, extended side skirts, and that massive rear diffuser. Everything about this car screams performance. Moving to the wheels, and wow, these custom deep dish alloy rims are an absolute showstopper. The blacked out design, the intricate detailing, and the low-profile tires make this car sit so perfectly on the road. It has that wide, planted stance that every car enthusiast loves. And when you pair that with the flared wheel arches, it gives the Insignia an almost supercar-like presence. Now, let's talk about the rear. This is where things get really interesting. The slim LED taillights add a futuristic touch, and that large spoiler completes the aggressive look. But the real highlight? The quad exhaust setup. This isn't just for looks, this exhaust system gives the car a deep, throaty roar that commands attention wherever it goes. Imagine pulling up to a car meet with this beast, heads are definitely going to turn. Step inside, and you're greeted with a cabin that matches the exterior's boldness. Premium materials, carbon fiber accents, and a driver-focused cockpit make it feel more like a high-performance sports car than a luxury sedan. Every button, every dial, every stitch on the seats is designed to enhance the driving experience. And with the latest tech features, this Insignia doesn't just look modern, it feels modern too. But what really makes this build special is how well everything comes together. The lowered stance, the aggressive aerodynamics, the custom wheels, and the beastly exhaust all work in perfect harmony to create something truly unique. This isn't just another modified car, this is a statement on wheels. So, what do you think about this insane Opel Insignia? Would you take this over a traditional sports sedan? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more incredible car content. We've got plenty more custom builds, reviews, and insane modifications coming your way, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.